Alright, so we got last video here, we got our two exterior doors in. Again, how you can tell if they're exterior or interiors is if I flip this around, I can see it's gray on the exterior and it's brown on the interior. So, one thing though that we notice is this is going to be the washer and dryer over here. So we don't want the door this way. So right now, we have a right-handed swing door, and how you know that is you put your back against the hinges. This is the hinge side of the door, this is the opening side. Put your back against the hinges, and which way it goes, so this one goes to the right, and so it's a right-handed swing. My back was here, this would be going to the left. This would be a left-hand swing. Back was here, right. Back is here, right. Back is here, left. So this is how to switch which way the door is going. So this one here, put my back against here, it's a left-hand or a right-handed swing. I need to make it a right-handed swing. I'm going to right-click on the component once it's in place, change axes, or sorry, not change axes. Right-click on the component, flip along, and then we have blue, green, and red. So I want to flip along red because it'll flip it this way. Green would have flipped it inside outside. Blue would have flipped it upside down or right side up. If you flip the wrong axis, just hit the undo button and flip to the next axis. But there, now that door is opening the correct way. Next, we're going to move on to interior doors. So interior doors, basically they go from 2.0 all the way up to 3.0 every 2 inches again. We want to put the biggest door we can in each area of the house. So the bigger the doors go, the more access you have to what's going on in there. So, notice my house here, I didn't have my closets in, but we can get those in later. But we're going to get these doors in here. First of all, we're going to put a 3.0 door in right here. So again, we're 3 inches off the edge. So I'm going to do a tape measure tool. Come down this line, type 3 and hit enter. And then this is a 3.5 inch wall, so I'm looking for a door that's a 3.0 and a 3.5 inch jamb. Again, I'm grabbing at the wrong edge right now, but that's perfectly fine. I can put right there. Good to go. I'm going to go on the back side of this. Did I make sure to be inside the model? No, not this time. That's okay. Right click, cut, double click. Now I'm inside my model. Right click, fixed in place. Simple way to work with inside your model, outside your model. Draw that door opening. Boom, boom. Push, pull. Cuts the opening for me. Door is flipped the wrong way. So I'm going to right click on the door and I'm looking at my axes. I want it to go this way so it's on the green. Flip along, components green. Uh-oh. So I didn't do that right, so green went up and down. Let's try blue. Or flip along, components red. We have that door placed in there. Come over to this door, push, pull, or tape measure, 3 inches off the side. Now this wall here is at 5.5, so door 3.0, 5.5 inch jamb. Boom. back side, draw the hole. I'm using my mouse wheel to scroll in and out a ton. Push, pull. So it says offset, and we got a hole cut. Perfect there. Bathroom. Got to figure out the bathroom. Bathroom vanity. I know you guys don't know this, but a bathroom vanity is 18 inches deep. So I'm going to put an 18 there. And then the countertop hangs over about 2 inches. So now I'm going to see, and if I'm going to come in 3 inches here, I'm going to see what I have here. From here to here is 3 foot 1 inch. So I'm going to have to put in a 2 foot 6. Because if I do a 3/0 here, my 3/0 is actually 2 inches bigger, so I'd go all the way up to there. So I could do a 210. But I'm going to, and that's what we'll do. We'll do a 210. Door. And weird, oddly enough, 2 O's up here with a 210 because it's alphabetical order. That's a 3.5 inch wall. Boom. Go to the back side. Draw my rectangle. There. There. Push pull. Cut the opening. Those doors are in. Coming over here, this is your standard 3/0 door. Don't have to show that. Let's figure this one out. Closet shelving. Look over here. We have some closet shelving here, closet shelving here. Probably could get some hanging space here. We want to use as much space as we can. So this here, we're going to do a 2/6 door to get as much space in this closet as we can, and we don't use this door to hit over here. So we're going to go 2/6. Tape measure. 3 inches off the edge. Put in a door. 2/6. If it does a bunch of flipping like this, where I can't get it to go on that right spot there, I'm just going to click it when I get it on the wall, and then I'll click it again and move it into place. Oh, the door didn't pop through, so what does that tell me? Oh, I used the 2/6 with the 3 and 5, or 3.5 inch jamb. I want to use the 2/6 with the 5.5. Didn't look at my wall thickness. 2/6, 5.5 inch jamb. That even went in a lot nicer. See if I can get to this spot back here. It's not going to let me very easily. So I know this is 2/8 by 6/8. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to put it on the edge, and I look 6'9", 6 feet 9 inches. I'm typing that now, comma, 2 feet 8 inches. Because the frame is 2 inches bigger than the door. Push, pull, and cut that hole out. It's going pretty well. I'm going to erase some of these guidelines just to clean this up a little bit. When I'm erasing, make sure you're not erasing stuff you need. Another guideline I drew outside. So we got that door there. In the 2 closets, you are going to use, if I take a peek over here, these 2 here, closets, are bypass doors. You'll put them centered on that wall. We're not going to put the water heater in, so you can put centered there. Over here, we're going to put a bypass door in as well. Right here, you're going to have to figure this out. 18 inches plus a 2 inch overhang. figure out which size door you can put in there, and put this door in right here. This door here is called a pocket door, so you're going to be using the pocket door. This is 2 feet or 24 inches to the edge plus 2 inches. Same thing here, 24 inches to the edge plus 2 inches. And then this opening we're going to cut through this way. We'll do this opening right now. So here comes the kitchen opening. So we're going to do, grab here, 24 inches, that's the cabinets, and then we want to give it 2 inches so we don't have as much of a problem there. Notice we're leaving this wall header here. This is a header opening. Do that whole thing. Push pull. Push pull didn't work for a second, so I'm going to try the first thing. Right click. I wonder if that 2 inches came off that face. Point. There we go. Push pull. Something funky's going on there. So we're just going to back out of it and start fresh. Maybe I'll try to cut it from this side. I want to make sure that this wall is selectable, and it is. So I'm going to go from there on this edge, and I'm going to touch to there. And now I'm going to go 24 plus 2 is 26. And I'm going to go rectangle. I'm going to go push pull. Touch that back wall. And then I can erase this bottom line. And it just made my opening. Erase that. Erase these 2 lines, and now I have my opening to get into my kitchen. And that's how I insert doors. When you come back, I will have these closets done, I will have my bathrooms done, and all that. And you can get those done too.